Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are Vibey light neon leaks. The downloading link in the description. There are 10 folders, vivid light effect. You can see there are JPG images and there are almost 16. And this is second folder, pastel, bokeh gloss. You can see again JPG images, high quality JPG images, and these are 9, and these are almost 10, and these are 9 on light streaks. Again JPG images, and if you come here, vibrant light, and again these are 12, and format is JPG. So these are low bokeh effect 6, and just open this pastel light leaks. JPG image high quality in this folder consists of I guess so 392 MB, and the download link is in the description. You just need to click the link and you will reach to my website by GFX, and in this article Vibey Neon Light collection you can download from here. You just need to click this download and you can download easily. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, also like this video. Take care.